Kichiro Toyoda's visionary thinking led to the formation of an automotive division in 1933, initiating the company's venture into a new industry. His ambition was to establish a competitive Japanese automobile that could stand out in the global market. In the face of limited resources and experience, Toyota's dedicated team successfully developed their first prototype, the Model A1, in 1935. This achievement marked a pivotal moment in their automotive journey, laying the groundwork for future accomplishments. World War II unexpectedly presented opportunities for Toyota, as the company shifted its focus to producing military trucks. This experience not only enhanced their manufacturing capabilities but also helped them build a robust reputation for quality. With the introduction of the Corolla in the 1960s, Toyota demonstrated its unwavering commitment to quality and reliability, leading the vehicle to become one of the best-selling cars worldwide. This pivotal moment significantly expanded their market presence beyond Japan. The launch of the Prius in the late 1990s represented a groundbreaking advancement in hybrid technology, solidifying Toyota's position as a leader in environmental initiatives. This innovation had a profound impact on the direction of the automotive industry. Despite encountering economic challenges and product recalls, Toyota remained steadfast in its core principles of innovation and quality. This resilience has firmly established its reputation as a premier automobile manufacturer on the global stage.